Hello everyone! In this short video I want to share my way of crocheting around a wooden base for baskets or bags. A very common problem when using thick macrame cord is that the holes in the base are too small. The crochet hook you need for the cord simply doesn't pass through them. So, what can we do? As you see, I found the way and I have already started using it for this base. I will show you now. For this trick, we need a thinner crochet hook. I'm using a 3mm hook. Right now, I need to make the next single crochet stitch around the edge. I insert the thin hook into the next hole. As you see, it goes in easily. And I gently catch the working yarn, pulling it through on the front. Now I take out the thin hook and finish making the single crochet stitch with my thick 6mm hook. And I just keep going like that. Again, I put the thin hook into the next hole and carefully pull the yarn loop through. I switch to the thicker hook and I finish the stitch with this one. This way you are building your first round with the thick hook that is right for this braided cord. You don't need to change your hook or look for a special base with bigger holes. If you have the same problem I had, try this method for starting your first round. I hope this video was helpful and interesting for you. Share your thoughts, impressions and ideas for my next videos in the comments. See you next time. Bye bye bye.